So before I go any further in this slow traveling tutorial that I'm doing real quick, I do want to talk to you about why I slow travel. And hopefully this will help define the next few videos or help make those make sense, why people slow travel or who should be slow traveling, right? If it works for you. I slow travel because I like to go to walkable cities. I currently don't live in a very walkable city. Most cities in America, honestly, are not very walkable. Almost everybody needs a car. And if you do walk, it's a different energy. So when I travel, I look for countries and cities where I can get out. As soon as I walk out of my front door, I'm walking. And I typically walk 3 to 5 miles a day. And if you look at any of my videos, it seems like all I do is drink coffee. I walk to the coffee shop because that's what I want to do. So I set a goal. I find a coffee shop that's maybe 2 miles from me, and I get up in the morning and I walk. There's a lot to see between me and that coffee shop in 2 miles. I'm not a shopper, but I will go to the malls and things like that, the local artesian stores and things like that. But I'm just not a shopper. But I'll walk to one of those places because why not? I do use public transportation. I do use Ubers and things like that if necessary. But primarily, I'm there for to experience the culture, to live like a local, and to walk. And a lot of countries that are walkable, locals walk. And I plan on being here a long time and a good time, right? So I got to get my health up. And walking 3 to 5 miles every day, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that. Losing a little weight, I'm seeing a little bit of the world, eating a little bit, drinking a little bit. It's a perfect life for me, for me. And that's why I slow travel. I do have to come back to the States. I have to take care of business and things like that because I'm an adult and I have adult responsibilities. But those responsibilities are put on the back burner for the 2 to 3 months that I'm out of the country. And I live like a nomad. I love it. I absolutely adore the fact that when I get up in the mornings, there's something new to explore almost every day. The same thing can be said in the state and city that you live in, let's be honest. But it's generally just a lot easier for me in foreign lands to feel that energy, right? Because I know without a shadow of a doubt, I'm going to see something new. I'm going to experience something new every day. And then I get into the things that I like, the places that I like, and I'll go back to them. And I like being, as a local, when I walk into a place and like, hey, you back today? Or they just have my drink ready for me. Yes, I love that. I love that here and there. So there are advantages for me for slow traveling. It just gives me peace of mind. It helps my physical. It definitely helps my mental. And I get to see the world. And it's one step at a time, one bite at a time.